Here's a quick look at the carriage release and lock mechanism on a Facit portable typewriter. I've really never seen another make of typewriter that has the mechanism set up quite this way. This little plunger right here, this chrome piece right next to the number 1 is what we're looking at. It's in the up position right now, which means the carriage is locked. To unlock the carriage, you push it down and it slips forward a little bit. Now the carriage is free. You pull it back and up and the carriage is locked. Let's do that one more time. Down and away from you, carriage is free. Up and toward you, carriage is locked. That's the whole deal.